Mr. President, dear colleagues, Interpolke Emmanuel Bayelsa Central, I rise to support this motion, ably moved by my colleague. Mr. President, if you scan through the reasons adduced by the mover of this motion, you will agree with me that this project is of utmost importance to the future generation of this country. Mr. President, permit me to even look at one particular paragraph which the mover of the motion did cite, concerned that in view of the population explosion taking place in the country, we no longer have the luxury of relegating knowledge and information. Let me stop at that. Mr. President, dear colleague, but looking through the body of the motion, there is no gainsaying the facts. There are a lot of issues bedeviling this project. Issue one, to me, concerns how this project has been handled by successive administration of government. In particular, let me refer again to reason adduced in the body of the motion. Particularly, in 2012, there seemed to be a lot of issues arising from the investigation, or what I'll call what the mover of the motion came up with. That in 2012, the presidency requested for return of the project back to full scope after the contractor was almost completing the project. And there was a review in that direction. Mr. President, if you look at it, that the initial review sum of 23.153 billion arising from a budgeted provision of 8 billion or thereabout. But unfortunately, that request to the particular MDA was not processed. If that submission was not processed by the MDA, there seemed to be a lacuna that the Ministry of Education has not even looked into this reverse aspect of the project. And it appears, up till now, that revised aspect of the project has not been taken into consideration by this particular MDA, saddled with the responsibility of implementing this project. Secondly, Mr. President, dear colleague, if you look at the source of releases from 2008 down to 2015, Mr. President, you'll see that it's only in 2013 where over 3 billion was released out of an appropriated amount of 4-point-something billion. And then you look at 2012, 2 billion was released, that is about 50%. That is the best of releases so far. Mr. President, that is the bane of our problem as far as capital projects in this country is concerned. It does not rest with appropriation, but the greatest problem we have in implementing a capital project in this country is the amount of fund release vis-a-vis the amount appropriated to project. Mr. President, if we will take this into consideration, then it appears government have spent about 5 billion or over, but definitely less than 10 billion out of a projected amount of a project that has now risen from 8.7 billion to almost 50 billion. If we are not planning for project execution, and then funds will be partially released to implement projects, then we are going nowhere. So to me, the second resolution being sought by the mover of this motion is very, very key. There must be an investigation. The particular committee has to interface with the MDA to ascertain the present status of the project. If not, we will not know where we are going. The project that started with 8 billion and is now at about 50 billion, 48.something billion. And in any case, even the revised version of the reviewed budget of the project has not been even attended to by the MDA. So where are we going? So the best thing is for us, is for the committee to look into it closely as to how the little amount of money that has been so far released have been best utilized for the project. And I joined Acheva, Senator Acheva, in asking the federal government to see as much as possible how this project can be implemented, because library is very important to the younger generation of this country. I rest my case, Mr. President.